Short date format in Excel. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today we will talk about how to apply and customize the short date format in Excel. First, we will learn the easiest and most basic way to apply the short date format in Excel. Select one or multiple cells containing the dates you want to format. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the arrow next to the number format box. From the drop-down menu, choose Short Date. The selected dates will be immediately formatted to the short date style. Note that this method applies the system's default short date format. For a different short date format, you can either use the Format Cells dialog box for additional date formatting options, or adjust your computer's regional settings to change the default format. For users who are comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, Excel offers a quick key combination to apply the short date format. This method, similar to the number formatting option on the Home tab, applies the system's default short date format. Select the dates you wish to format. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the pound sign on your keyboard. The selected dates will transform into the short date format swiftly. Just like the previous method, for a different short date format, you should either use the Format Cells dialog box for additional date formatting options, or adjust your computer's regional settings to change the default format. For those who need more detailed control over formatting, the Format Cells dialog box in Excel is the perfect tool. It allows for a precise application of the short date format. Select the date you wish to format. Right-click on your selected cell and choose Format Cells. In the Number tab, click on Date. Pick your preferred short date format from the type list. The sample box will display the format preview with the first date in your selected cells. Click OK to confirm. Excel's text function is a flexible way to format dates, especially useful when integrating dates into text or complex formulas. Select the cell where you wish to display the formatted short date. Input the formula. This format code tells the text function to return the date in month, day, year format. To customize the date format according to your needs, you can adjust the code using the code table available in the tutorial. The tutorial link is provided in this video's description. Now, press Enter to display the reference date in short date format. In the section on applying a short date format through the Format Cells dialog, we've learned that there are multiple formatting options in the type list. However, in scenarios where these predefined formats don't meet your specific needs, you can customize your own format. Select the cell containing the date you want to apply the custom date format. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells dialog. In the Number tab, click on Date. From the type list, pick an existing format that is closest to what you need as your starting point. For example, to format the date in the month, day, year format, with the month displayed with a leading 0, the day without a leading 0, and the year as a 4-digit number. I will first select this format, since it is the closest to what I want. Then, click on the Custom category, and modify the chosen format in this type box. The Sample box will display a preview of this format using the date from your selected cell. Finally, click OK to apply this tailored format. If you are not familiar with the elements in a format code, a helpful code table is available in the tutorial for reference. You can find the link to this tutorial in the description of this video. In this section, we'll address frequent questions related to applying date formats in Excel, equipping you with the knowledge to handle these scenarios confidently. Changing the default date format in Excel is essential when you need dates to consistently appear in a specific style across your documents. This process involves adjusting your computer's regional settings, as Excel pulls its default date format from these system preferences. First, open the Control panel and make sure the view is set to large or small icons. Click on Region. On the Formats tab of the region window that appears, choose a specific region to explore date formats commonly used in that area. Then, click on the arrow in the short date box to choose your preferred short date format. After selecting a desired format, you can preview the date. If it meets your expectations, click OK to confirm. And you'll notice the short date format in Excel updates immediately. In the United States, the common date format is month, day, year, while in many European countries, it's day, month, year. To change date format to adapt to a different locale, select the cell containing the date you want to convert first. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells dialog. On the Date category, select your preferred locale option. Then, choose a desired format specific to this locale. At last, click OK. When encountering a series of pound signs in place of dates within your Excel worksheet, the issue typically stems from the cells being too narrow to display the full date. To resolve this, you can easily adjust the column width by double-clicking the right border of the column header, which automatically resizes the column to accommodate the dates. Or, for more precise control over the column width, simply click and drag the right border of the column header to expand it to your desired width. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.